You want to start a cake business, but your bank account says, not today. I get it. In 2026, with the rise in inflation and ingredient costs spiking, the dream might be so expensive and it might look like I can't do this. I don't think I can try it. But my story is that I started my cake business with some sand, a stove, and a pot. And you don't need a commercial kitchen to get your cake business running this year. I'm going to be sharing with you the 5-step blueprint to starting your cake business in 2026 with zero capital. Let's get into it. Happy New Year and welcome to my channel. Just a quick introduction. My name is Oluchi and I'm a cake business artist that is based in Swindon, the United Kingdom. If you see my beautiful face for the first time, you're most welcome to my channel. And if you've always been here, thank you so much for always being here. On this channel, I teach you about cake business and digital skills to help you build a global cake business. So let's get right into it. So the first step is to audit your assets. Now, people think that they need a shiny mixer, multiple baking pans, lots of baking tools and equipment to start baking. If you search your kitchen and you can't find it, then you do not need it for your first order. Okay, so it's about using what you have. I know that sounds cliche and you must have heard it a million times or a gazillion times, but use what you have. How did I start my cake business with zero capital? Because that's what I did. I'm going to be taking you to the second point, and that is the pre-sale model. So this is just for sneakers alone or other products. You can also apply that in your cake business. So like I said, that was how I started mine. So I got an order for a cake from my husband's friend. And based on the calculation I did at that time, I got the pricing for that cake and I got some deposit. It was that deposit, I remember using the deposit, part of the deposit, to go do some shopping within that cake mall or cake complex, to go do some shopping within the cake complex to get the ingredients that I used to bake that cake. So for example, you can employ this strategy. So you can call for orders, call it like a weekend premium box or a weekend relaxation box, whatever name you choose to call it. I may find a better name, but for now, this is just what is coming to mind. So you can have that as a weekend order, but on Monday, you put out the information, or on Saturday, the week before, you put out that information, put it on your WhatsApp status, put it on your page, wherever you find people, or you can do word of mouth. Tell them that you're having boxes of this sort going out next weekend or the next weekend, and let them pay a deposit or they can pay up front. And then you can use that money to buy what you need to bake the cake. It works. So you're not just doing baking alone, you're also a strategist. And this really works, I tell you. The third point is to leverage social real estate. So in this day and age, you do not need a website to start your cake business. It's all about fast execution. And I believe you're on TikTok. People like sensory information these days. So you just want to post. So you don't just want to post the finished product. You want to show the texture of your batter. You want to show them how moist it is and how soft it is, how fluffy it is. People like this sort of information, and you're looking to use that information to build a community. For example, you can put out content like day one of starting my cake business, and you show the behind the scenes of your baking. You can even show yourself shopping and put it online. Tell your stories. With stories, you can build a community of loyal fans and buyers as well. Number 4 is to niche down to level up. If you're trying to bake for everyone, you'll bake for no one. So it's important that you're niching down. You can do that from the get-go, or start with baking and then niche down as you go along. So for example, you can decide, I want to be the cupcake queen. I know stories of people who started out baking cakes, but they're just doing strictly cupcakes. They don't do anything else. For some people, it's just birthday cakes and celebration cakes. They don't do wedding cakes. So niche down so you can level up, and this would help you. You can give yourself a very sweet, nice name that would make it relatable, and go ahead with that. All of these things will take time to build, but just be patient and keep at it. The 5th is resilience and the brave mindset. Now, as you start out, there might be feedback, negative feedback from customers. Some days your recipe will fail, the oven will work as you wanted it to be, and these things can tend to crush your spirit. This is where resilience kicks in and that brave mindset comes to play. You don't wait to get confident before you start. Start to get confident. The more you do it, the more confidence you grow. So your business grows as much as you do. If you're shaking in fear and you're not putting yourself out there, you're thinking of the what ifs, comparing yourself to as many bakers as you can see on TikTok, on social media, then you're just going to be crippled in fear. So do not look at anybody Wear your brave heart and go ahead to do what you want to do this year. Starting with nothing, although it may sound hard, is your greatest advantage. With it, you can be innovative. With it, you learn on the go. That was how I started. Borrowing pans, borrowing mixers, baking with my neighbor's oven, and all of that. But I've been able to build an award, like a multiple award, not just an award, a multiple award winning cake business out of starting with that. So your story is your superpower and you want to start with that. Don't wait any longer. And if you want to position right in this new year, you need to grab my ebook. So I just launched an ebook and you can get it using the link in my description box and also in the comments below. It will help you position well and also serve your customers in a way that other people are not doing. Beyond the Basics is an ebook that you need to get for this year to position right. And I'm wishing you all the best with your cake business this year. And if you're not a newbie baker, you can also apply these tips. They would help you. Some of these tips, pick and select the ones that apply to you and use them in your business. Don't forget to hit the like button and also to join my channel if you found this helpful. If you found knowledge from this, share this video so that other people can get it. And also in this new year, please engage with me. Drop comments, hearts, emojis, but I need you to engage with me in the comments. And if you have any questions, don't forget to drop them down below. Until I see my next video, stay happy, stay safe, and stay blessed.